Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update here on SMCI Super Microcomputer. Yeah guys, we have to talk here about the actual price action since we had here our successful breakout out of the bearish pattern, but we are back here in this pattern, guys. The bears don't want a SMC, not AMC, SMC to squeeze, but that doesn't change the chart pattern, guys. We have still here a very high squeeze potential. I mentioned that already in my previous videos, where are the next support price levels, but let's make here a brand new update and talk about the up and downside here for SMCI. Everything what I say here is of course not financial advice, guys, and just my opinion based on the chart. First of all, guys, if you don't want to miss any updates, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I really appreciate that, guys. Thank you for your support. And if you don't want to miss any short squeeze updates, guys, we have here a lot of short squeezes right now in the market. Before we dive in here into the SMCI chart, I want to show you that really quick, guys. I have here a mission. I try to predict short squeezes. Boom. So I really try to do that. Yeah, this is what I love to do, guys. And of course, I trade these stocks by myself. You can see that was here the short squeeze which we had in this week, 324% in just 2 days, guys, or more or less 1 day. This was the day when I posted this ticker here on Patreon, and you can see here 1-2 days later, boom, at the third day we had here our 340% squeeze. So the yellow box is the time frame where I calculated the squeeze, and the blue box was the retest zone where I expected the price to go to retest, and that was here 100% on the dot, guys. Yeah, that is not a coincidence. We had last week 4 short squeezes, and also last week one of our tickers here squeezed more than 300%. Same style, guys. This is just here a snapshot, not the full screenshot what I showed to my members, just that you understand what happened here. That was the day when I posted this ticker on Patreon here, guys, and you can see 1, 2, 3 at the 4th day here we had our 322% squeeze. Also the last exit was mentioned here in my chart, and we nailed that here on the dot, guys. Yeah, so if you want to see these short squeeze stocks, then you can of course join in here our trading community. The full package membership here on Patreon is the most popular membership which I have. You not only get access to my short squeeze stocks, you also get access to my trading tutorials, member FAQ section, and everything. Very helpful for beginners, but also for advanced traders. The link is patreon.com/blackbelttrader, and of course also available here in the video description, guys. Every day new members joining in, so take your chance right now. So blah blah blah, let's talk about SMCI. I don't want to waste your time, guys, but I have to show you that we have so many squeezes in the market, and it's just worth it to join in, guys, and check out what is going on behind the scenes. So my friends, SMCI, if you have seen my previous videos, then you know already this chart here. Nothing changed. We have still a super bullish pattern. Of course, when a stock starts to squeeze here from $3.40 to $122, guys, yeah, we have to accumulate. We have to correct. This is normal, but we are still in a super bullish structure here. And to help you understand where are the support, or where is the support waiting, we have here an algo demand zone or algo support zone from $33.80 until $23. Guys, this is the main algo support. But for now, since we had here one fake out, something like a knife constellation here before we had the squeeze, that was also the time when I started to release here my first videos on SMCI, because I said, guys, short squeeze alert. We have here a very, very high short squeeze potential. Here during that time, I released my first videos, and you can see the result was that SMCI squeezed already here in total 289%. Yeah, very, very good. But you can see that took, of course, here a couple of months. Yeah, the other tickers which I show here for members, guys, they have this potential in 1 day. There is never a guarantee, of course, but also here for SMCI, my chart analysis was right. So it has been right, guys. So what we know right now is, and that also is also what I mentioned, that it makes just sense that we retest here this white trend line again. I'm also not surprised that the market makers brought the price back in this box here. So I want to show you that really quick for everybody who is new here to my channel. So we have this accumulation pattern since March 2024, guys. This is active since 1 year. This is a swing trader paradise, because normally when you hit here the bottom line of this trend channel, SMCI starts to squeeze. That is for a lot of assets in the market, guys. You will see that for many other tickers as well, even Bitcoin. Every ticker has the same kind of styles here, same kind of trading patterns. But for now, we see that here for the first time since March 2024, SMCI had a successful breakout. I would not call it a fake out, guys. The whole structure here, yeah, because some people may think, this is just a fake out, they will drop the price down. Guys, there is never a guarantee, but the whole chart setup here is almost one by one the same what Tesla had. And as you all know, Tesla created this year new all-time highs. This is also what I expect for SMCI. As long as they don't dilute the stock, we have here a very high squeeze potential. And of course, we should not leave here the support zone. So based on the actual trend line here, the support is waiting here in the $28 to $29 range, depending here on the day. This is where I expect the price to go. We can see that as soon as we touch here the support price level, we have a technical reaction. Sorry, I was too quick here with scrolling. So we can see that the market may make us use here some gap downs. You can see we have a gap down here, we have a gap down here, we have a gap down here. So every time when they try to, or when they know that the price is coming close to the support zone, I show you that again, guys, here, $33.80 to $23, they might gap down the price. So don't be surprised if SMCI will drop 9, 10, 11% in one day when they use here the pre and after market to drop the price. This is how they do it, guys. You can see they did that here over and over again for the stock. As long as we don't leave this support zone here, guys, I am not worrying about SMCI. The bear case scenario is that we drop below $16, guys. That would be not good. If we drop below $16, then I'm scared. Yeah, then that could be a fake out, but then we have to analyze the chart. But besides that, I think the support will be somewhere between $29 and $23. The upside price levels, guys. Let's talk about the upside. So we did here everything for SMCI what we should did. We closed this gap. I mentioned that before, that we had here one golden pocket and this open gap. I deleted that already in the chart since the price action is finished. And the next price target which we have is $84.50, and there is also one open gap at $86.59. We can even squeeze here back to $96, guys, and of course also higher, but keep in mind $96 is the strongest resistance level which we have. Yeah, so if we come here very close to this range, guys, between $86 and $96, yeah, then please calculate or expect some very volatile price actions here. I think the market makers will pull the rug and the price can drop here 30-40% in one day. So be very careful here. You can see whenever we touched this price level here, we had here strong rejections. Even we can squeeze higher, but this is a very dangerous zone. What does that mean when SMCI starts to squeeze? So when we finally have our confirmed breakout here out of this bearish pattern, then we need here some power to break $50.86. This is here what I call a short squeeze trigger, because as soon as we break $50.86, the yellow line here in the chart, there is more or less no real resistance, guys, between $50.86 and $90 or $86. Yeah, that was the same here. As soon as we broke this, we closed the gap. That was here like, yeah, there was no resistance anymore, guys. And when we come over this price level again, then I think SMCI will come back to these price levels here or even create new all-time highs. I will keep you updated here, guys. If you want to copy here my price levels, the whole chart setup, what you see here is called TradingView, guys, or the program is called TradingView. So if you want to draw these chart setups by yourself, that you also learn where the algos are waiting, where to enter your trades, exit your trades. Yeah, that is very visible if you know how trading algos work. Of course, when you need help, when you need more information, you can just join us here on Patreon. But if you want to get that chart program by yourself, then you can use here my $15 discount link available in the video description. Yeah, this is a special discount link for the TradingView premium tier. This is what I recommend, and this is also what I use here for all my videos and all my own trades. My friends, that was the update on SMCI. I hope that was helpful. I wish you great success with all your trades. Thank you for your support and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.